Welcome. Learn simple English through the lives of Bible characters.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inside Bible Character English. I'm Sophia.
And I'm James. Hello, hello.
How are you today? Are you feeling good?
We hope you're having a wonderful day. Maybe you're walking, maybe you're relaxing at home.
Wherever you are, thank you for being here with us.
Today, we have a very special story. It's about a woman. Her name is Hannah.
Hannah. Can you say that with me? Hannah.
Hannah. Beautiful name, right?
Yes, and Hannah's story is so touching. It's about sadness, but also about hope.
That's right. Sometimes we feel sad. Sometimes we feel hopeless.
But Hannah shows us something beautiful. She shows us that it's okay to feel sad.
Yes, and she shows us that we can talk about our feelings. We can be honest.
Exactly. Hannah was very honest with her heart. She prayed with all her heart.
Have you ever felt so sad that words were hard to find?
Maybe you just wanted to cry. Maybe you couldn't speak.
Hannah felt that way too, but she didn't give up.
She prayed, and something amazing happened.
So today, we'll learn about Hannah. We'll learn some beautiful English expressions.
And we'll think about our own hearts, too.
Sounds good?
Great. Let's start Hannah's story.
Okay, so let's talk about Hannah. Who was she?
Hannah lived a long time ago, about 3,000 years ago.
Wow, that's very old.
Yes, she lived in ancient Israel. That's a place in the Middle East.
Israel is a special place in the Bible. Many important stories happen there.
Right, and Hannah lived in a small town. Life was simple. People lived with their families.
Hannah was married. Her husband's name was Elkanah.
Elkanah, that's a long name.
Yes, Elkanah loved Hannah very much.
But Hannah had a big problem in her heart.
She wanted a baby. She wanted a child.
But year after year, no baby came.
In those days, having children was very important. It was a blessing.
People believed children were a gift from God.
So Hannah felt very sad. She felt empty inside.
Can you imagine that feeling, wanting something so much?
Every morning she woke up hoping. Every night she went to sleep disappointed.
That kind of waiting, it's exhausting.
It really is. And there was another problem.
What was it?
Elkanah had another wife. Her name was Peninnah.
Oh, yes. In those times, some men had more than one wife. It was part of their culture.
And Peninnah had many children.
So every day, Hannah saw Peninnah's children, playing, laughing, running around.
And every day, Hannah's heart hurt more and more.
That must have been so hard.
Yes, Peninnah also said mean things to Hannah.
Really?
Yes, she said, "Why don't you have children? You must not be blessed."
Oh no, that's cruel.
Words can hurt, right?
They really can, even more than we think.
Sometimes words hurt more than actions.
So Hannah cried a lot. She couldn't eat. She felt so alone.
Poor Hannah. Even though Elkanah loved her, she still felt this pain.
Yes, he would say, "Hannah, am I not better than 10 sons?"
He was trying to comfort her, but sometimes love can't fix everything.
That's true. Hannah's pain was deep. It was personal.
But every year, Hannah's family went to a special place.
Where did they go?
They went to Shiloh. There was a temple there, a house of God.
A temple is like a church, a place to pray.
Right. And one day, Hannah went to the temple alone.
What did she do there?
She prayed, but this time she prayed differently.
How?
She poured out her heart. She cried. She prayed silently from deep inside.
Silent prayer. That means no words came out of her mouth.
Exactly, but in her heart, she was speaking to God.
She said, "God, if you give me a son, I will give him back to you."
Yes, she made a promise, a very big promise.
That's a serious promise.
It is. She said, "I will dedicate my son to you. He will serve you all his life."
Wow, that's love. That's faith.
Yes, but then something happened.
What?
An old priest named Eli saw her.
A priest is like a religious leader. He works in the temple.
Eli saw Hannah's lips moving, but no sound came out.
So what did Eli think?
He thought she was drunk.
What? Drunk? That means too much alcohol.
Yes, he said, "Woman, why are you drunk? Stop drinking."
Oh no, that's embarrassing.
But Hannah was brave. She said, "No, sir, I am not drunk."
Good for her.
She said, "I am very sad. I am pouring out my heart to God."
Pouring out my heart. That's such a beautiful expression.
It means sharing your deepest feelings, holding nothing back.
And what did Eli say?
Eli understood. His heart softened.
He said, "Go in peace. May God give you what you asked for."
And you know what? Hannah's face changed.
How?
She wasn't sad anymore. She felt hope.
Just from those words?
Yes, sometimes one kind word can change everything.
That's so true.
Hannah went home, and guess what happened?
She had a baby.
Yes, a beautiful baby boy. She named him Samuel.
Samuel, another great name.
Samuel means God heard.
Oh, I love that. God heard her prayer.
Exactly. Hannah was so happy, but she remembered her promise.
Right, she promised to give Samuel to God.
So, when Samuel was still very young, maybe 3 or 4 years old, Hannah took him to the temple.
That must have been so hard.
It was, but she said to Eli, "This is the boy I prayed for. Now I give him to you. He will serve God."
Can you imagine leaving your child there?
It takes so much courage, so much love.
But Hannah kept her promise.
And then she prayed again, but this time it was a prayer of joy.
Not sadness?
No, she said, "My heart rejoices in the Lord."
Rejoices, that means feels great joy.
Yes, she was thankful. She was full of joy.
And you know what's beautiful?
What?
Hannah blessed Hannah with more children. She had 3 more sons and 2 daughters.
Yes, her heart was full.
And Samuel, he became a great prophet, a leader.
He helped many people. He changed his nation.
All because Hannah prayed, all because she kept her promise.
What a beautiful story.
It really is.
Okay, now let's look at some expressions from Hannah's story.
These are useful expressions. You can use them in your daily life.
Expression number 1, pour out your heart.
Pour out your heart. Say it with me. Pour out your heart.
Good. This means to share your deep feelings, to be completely honest.
Like Hannah, she poured out her heart in prayer.
You can use this with friends. I need to pour out my heart to you.
Or, thank you for listening. I really needed to pour out my heart.
It's about trust, about being real.
Let me give you another example. Imagine you had a bad day at work.
Yes, a really stressful day.
You come home and you say to your friend, "Can I pour out my heart? I need to talk."
Oh, I love that. Very natural.
Your friend will understand. They'll listen carefully.
That's the power of this expression.
I love that expression.
Me too. Expression number 2, hold nothing back.
Hold nothing back. Can you repeat? Hold nothing back.
This means to give everything, to not hide anything.
Hannah held nothing back in her prayer. She told God everything.
You can say, when I talk to you, I hold nothing back.
Or, in this interview, I'll hold nothing back. I'll be honest.
It's about being open, being brave.
Here's another example. Maybe you're writing a letter to someone you love.
Yes, a heartfelt letter.
You can say, "In this letter, I'm holding nothing back. This is how I really feel."
Beautiful. That shows sincerity.
Exactly. Very powerful.
Expression number 3, year after year.
Year after year. Let's say it together. Year after year.
This means something happens again and again, for a long time.
Year after year, Hannah waited for a baby.
Year after year, she hoped.
You can say, "Year after year, I visit my hometown."
Or year after year, winter comes.
It shows patience or sometimes waiting.
Yes, time passing.
You can also say, "Year after year, I try to learn English, and I'm getting better."
Oh yes, that's encouraging.
It shows progress. It shows you don't give up.
I love that positive use.
Okay, expression number 4, go in peace.
Go in peace. Say it with me. Go in peace.
This is such a gentle expression. It means be calm, don't worry.
Eli said to Hannah, "Go in peace."
He was giving her comfort, telling her everything will be okay.
You can say this to someone who is worried. Go in peace. It will work out.
Or simply, go in peace. Take care of yourself.
It's warm. It's caring.
You can even use it when someone is leaving your home.
Yes, thank you for visiting. Go in peace.
It's a beautiful way to say goodbye.
Very beautiful. Last expression, number 5. My heart rejoices.
My heart rejoices. Can you say it? My heart rejoices.
This means I am so happy. My heart is full of joy.
Hannah said this after Samuel was born.
My heart rejoices in the Lord.
You can use rejoice in happy moments.
Today, my heart rejoices. I got good news.
Or we rejoice together. This is wonderful.
It's a strong, beautiful word, stronger than happy.
Yes, it's joy from deep inside.
So those are our 5 expressions today.
Pour out your heart. Hold nothing back. Year after year. Go in peace. My heart rejoices.
Try to use them this week.
Even 1 or 2. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the culture and meaning behind Hannah's story.
First, let's understand the time period.
Hannah lived in ancient Israel. This was about 1100 BC.
That's before kings ruled Israel. It was a time called the time of judges.
Judges were leaders. They helped people. They solved problems.
Life was different then. No phones, no cars, no internet.
Right. People lived in small towns. Families stayed together.
And religion was very important. The temple was the center of life.
People went to the temple to pray, to worship, to celebrate.
In Hannah's culture, children were seen as a blessing.
Especially sons. Sons carried on the family name.
So for a woman to have no children, it was very painful.
People might think she wasn't blessed, wasn't favored by God.
That's why Hannah felt so much pressure, so much sadness.
And remember, Peninnah had children. That made it even harder.
Comparison is tough, right?
Yes, even today we compare ourselves to others.
She has this, I don't have that.
He's successful, I'm not.
It hurts.
So Hannah's pain is very relatable. We can understand it.
Now, about the temple in Shiloh.
Shiloh was a sacred place. The Ark of the Covenant was there.
The ark was a special box. It represented God's presence.
So when Hannah went to Shiloh, she was going to the most holy place in Israel.
She was serious. She was desperate.
And her prayer, it was so honest.
She didn't use fancy words. She just cried out.
That's powerful. God doesn't need fancy words. He wants our hearts, our honesty.
Exactly. And Hannah made a vow, a promise.
If you give me a son, I will give him back to you.
In Hebrew culture, a vow was very serious.
You had to keep it. It was sacred.
So when Samuel was born, Hannah had to keep her promise.
And she did, even though it was hard.
She brought Samuel to the temple when he was very young.
He lived there with Eli. He learned to serve God.
And Samuel became one of the greatest prophets in the Bible.
You can find this story in 1 Samuel chapters 1 and 2.
Yes, if you want to read more, check out 1 Samuel.
It's written beautifully. Even in English, it's touching. Now, what can we learn from Hannah today?
Well, I think she teaches us about honesty.
Yes, it's okay to feel sad. It's okay to cry.
We don't have to pretend everything is fine.
Hannah didn't pretend. She poured out her heart.
And that's healthy. Holding feelings inside can hurt us.
Right, so we can be honest with ourselves, honest with others.
Maybe honest with God if you believe.
Or honest in a journal, honest with nature.
The important thing is, don't hold it all inside.
Exactly. And another lesson, patience.
Year after year, Hannah waited.
She didn't give up. She kept hoping.
Sometimes we want things right now, but good things take time.
That's true. We live in a fast world.
Everything is quick. Fast food, fast internet, fast results.
But some things need time, like healing, like growth.
Like Hannah's prayer being answered.
Think about a seed. You plant it today.
But it doesn't become a tree tomorrow.
No, it needs water, sun, and time.
Weeks, months, maybe years.
But one day, you see a beautiful tree.
That's patience. That's faith in the process.
Hannah had that kind of patience.
And one more thing, keeping promises.
Oh yes, that's huge.
Hannah made a promise, and even though it was hard, she kept it.
That shows integrity. It shows character.
When we keep our promises, people trust us.
And we trust ourselves too.
Right, we feel strong inside.
In our modern world, promises can feel less important.
Yes, people change their minds easily.
I said I would help you, but I'm busy now.
I promised to call, but I forgot.
But Hannah teaches us a promise is sacred. It matters. It shapes who we are.
So here's a question for you, our listeners.
When was the last time you poured out your heart to someone? Maybe a friend, a family member, or even yourself.
And another question, what are you waiting for with patience?
Maybe a dream, a goal, a change.
Think about it. You don't have to answer out loud.
Just think. Let it sit in your heart.
Hannah's story is for everyone. You don't have to be religious.
It's a human story about pain, hope, and promises.
And those things we all understand.
We all experience them.
So let Hannah inspire you.
Be honest. Be patient. Keep your promises.
Beautiful lessons.
Well, we're almost at the end of our time together.
Already? Time goes so fast.
It really does, but let's finish strong.
Yes, let's give you today's English line.
This is one sentence, one beautiful sentence to remember.
Are you ready?
Here it is. Pour out your heart and hope will come.
Pour out your heart and hope will come.
Say it with us. Pour out your heart and hope will come.
This is from Hannah's story. When she poured out her heart, hope came.
Maybe not immediately, but it came.
You can write this down. Put it on your wall.
Or save it in your phone. Read it when you feel sad.
Pour out your heart and hope will come.
It's simple, but it's powerful.
You know what I love about this sentence?
What?
It doesn't say hope might come or hope could come.
Right. It says hope will come.
That's confidence. That's certainty.
I love that too. It gives us strength.
Okay, let's review a little bit.
Today, we met Hannah, a woman with deep sadness.
She prayed honestly. She kept her promise.
And God blessed her with Samuel and more children.
We learned 5 expressions.
Pour out your heart.
Hold nothing back.
Year after year.
Go in peace.
My heart rejoices.
Try to use these this week.
Practice with a friend or practice alone.
Even talking to yourself is good practice.
That's right. No shame in that.
And remember, you can listen to this episode again.
Yes, listen many times. Repeat the expressions.
That's how you learn, little by little.
You're doing great. We're so proud of you.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We hope Hannah's story touched your heart.
And we hope you feel encouraged.
You are not alone. We're all on this journey together.
Learning English, learning about life.
Learning about ourselves.
So take care of yourself.
Be kind to yourself.
And remember, pour out your heart and hope will come.
Thank you for joining us today.
We're so happy to share this story with you.
See you next time on Inside Bible Character English.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.